Hello all. Yesterday, Kaivalya, my nephew, and I were playing different games. So I had some free time and we were playing some games, and suddenly he asked me if I have any video game or any game on mobile. So I said no, I don't have any game on my mobile. But yeah, just couple of days back, United Nations Environment Program has created one game. So I remember that, and I thought let's give it a try. So I gave this game to Kaivalya, who is 6 years old, and he really loved this game. So in this video, we will see the game that is developed by United Nations Environment Program, and as we are celebrating United Nations Decade on ecosystem restoration, that is from 2021 to 2030. So let's see what game they have designed and how we can use it for awareness among children. Let's dive in. So as on the screen, I'm refreshing it so that you will get to know how it reloads and you can start this game. So when you go to this link, and I'm giving this link in description as well. So when you go to the link, you can see there is a level 1 and the instructions are restore the forest by collecting native seeds, which are green, and avoiding invasive plant seeds, which are red. So my nephew also asked me, so what is the difference between these two, right? So while playing this game, children have multiple queries. So we should be ready to answer their queries, and we should be ready to pique their curiosity at times as well. So this will be better to create awareness among children. So as you can see, I am not explaining the entire game, just we will see level 1 and then I'll just show you how level 2 and level 3 are. So what you have to do is from your right and right, left, up and down keys you can move, you can play this game, and space is somewhere required. So as you can see, okay, so I'll just mute the system so that it won't disturb us. So let's start. You will be collecting this green seeds while avoiding red seeds, right? So as you can see, and this is the plantation site. With space you are planting the seed, okay? And the one thing that I liked about this game is it gives children the fun fact, and at the same time you can see the cause and effect, causal understanding they will get, right? Because after planting the trees, you will have the biodiversity, multiple animals can live there, right? So it is livable condition for them, so they will get more understanding on these topics as well. At the end of the quiz, they are having some questions like, there are more than 60,000 tree species in the world. How many of them are categorized as threatened? You can check the answers, okay? So let's say it's 20,000, so you will get more points for that, right? So this is the level 2, which is in marine environment. You have to protect the coral ecosystem, okay? So this is the game. I'll just show you how it is played so that you can also check, and maybe you can use it to use it for entertainment of maybe your children, or if you're a school teacher, you can check if it is useful for you, okay? So in this way this game is played, and you can see on the top left side the score is also marked, and you will see one quiz question at the end of this level as well. So here it is. Yeah, so what is the first ecosystem that could go extinct with climate change? So whether it is seagrass beds, coral reefs, or mangrove forests. Coral reefs are very sensitive, and ocean acidification or temperature rise can hamper the entire ecosystem as well. And this is the level 3 where grasslands are burning. What we have to do is we have to jump on the fences and break it, right? So if fences are broken, then animals can pass from that, right? So they can move freely, and controlled grazing will control the uncontrolled fire, right? Yes, so avoiding the fire, we have to jump. You have to jump on this fence. Yes, jump 3 times on it to break it, and now you can see. Wow. And now you can see the wonder. This is the end of the level 3, and where you can see the outcome that multiple animals, birds can live there, right? So at the end it is asked as what is an important action to restore grassland. It is draining wetlands, or planting trees everywhere, or control grazing. Planting trees everywhere might seem as a solution, but it's not. A controlled grazing would be a right answer, right? So this is the end of the level 3, and currently we are only having these level 3. So what you can do, you can enter your name, and then you can see your score and your ranking, global ranking as well. And the bonus tip for you all is there is also level 4, which you get access after entering your username and registering over here with your email address. So you will get to play the level 4, which is an urban context in the cities. Interesting game, I would say, which I always encourage teaching environmental concept with the help of games, with activities, with puzzles, because that engages the students, that engages the audience. It relates to their life experiences, it relates to their understanding, and then it can bring more awareness and action. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please stay connected by subscribing. Thank you so much. We will meet again.